What is up, guys? It's me, Pyro14 here, back with another video, and I figured out something really cool and freaky at the same time, and also weird at the same time. You guys see the Sims game, right? The Sims 3 game, right? Yeah, I figured out if I flip it backward, if I flip it over, it spells out Swiss. It spells out cheese. Like, who knew that? Who knew it would spell out cheese? Swiss. Sims. Swiss. Sims. Swiss. You see, Sims. Swiss. Write in the comments if you guys see that too. Okay, guys, this is the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment the video, and hit the notification button for more comments. Bye. And also, please leave a comment if you see this too. Sims Swiss.